started. You look up. There's a lot of other activity around here, and we've just been online there to look what you do, and it's, you do nothing, you don't move. Seek medical help, remove all jewellery in case you start swelling up around that area. That's it really. We're about a quarter of the way up. Got this nice little scramble to do. Plateaus out again, and then another last scramble to get to the very top. So it's a good one. I think it's our favourite. My favourite, your favourite?
Yeah, that's right.
So pretty. So you've got Rothbury is over there, and that's Throplin village there, what you've seen us pass through the other day on my way to the Cheviots, which is there. So we're getting a lot of walking in these days, loving it. All this because of new jobs, just training, and it's not every day, it's just when they can fit us in. So happy to keep my fitness levels to a reasonable standard. Bearing in mind the job that I've come away from kept you going. So stuff like this is perfect. Every time you type in Simonside you see a couple of flat rocks. This is one of them where most people like to stand and get their photo taken. Like to stand on the edge of the world. Reality is, on this one you're not. Smart though. But there's like a one up there, that's amazing to stand on. And that one there. That's a track we've come up. That's somebody walking up there. That's the first person we've seen, apart from an old fellow when we first started. So second person. 3 Chinooks there. That's cool as out that.
Yeah.
That'll be them off to where we were hiking on Saturday.
Yeah, probably.
That's the last of this bit. Whew. It's really quite windy now, like I've just seen a buzzard flying down here. Damn. So that's the last bit of scramble. Got it wrong before, it's only this one here. Sorry about the wind, nothing I can do. It's much appreciated though. Today is Monday, it's supposed to be 40 degrees down south, 30 odd up here. And I won't argue with that, but up on the top of this fell, oh, AC on, heaven.
Pardon?
The root's dropping off.
Are they? Leaving you for me. I hope I'm going to fall and break my neck. Yeah?
Yeah, but well, no. I'm just going to keep rolling now. You're just making us edit.
You're making me nervous.
So I had to come back up again because the forest road was closed. Just come up a little bit further along, it's not too bad. It just means you've got a bit more work to do than you would normally if you're walking on the road. But we're happy. There's the car park. Far distance there. So down the steps. No adders, one lizard. Hey ho.